So,
Okay, this video is for Jim. Jim, there's your chrome-plated dash. Stevie's got that shown for you. We're getting ready to put this stuff back together. There's a couple things we want to talk to you about. All right, these are getting, we probably should pull these off. We could pull them off one at a time and repolish them. They're getting a little cloudy. See if, Lindsay, see if you can get a side view of that. So they're getting a little cloudy in here. See if, so we probably should pull those off and clean those up. I think we already talked about the levers. We're gonna do the
lines up here.
yeah, we haven't done the lines yet. We're gonna do the master cylinder, repolish that for you. The handle, same thing with the other side. Well, Stevie will repolish this for you and also the handle. Now, Stevie's got your motor blasted. Actually, Lindsay blasted it and Stevie's got it back in. So it's looking nice. Show them up close with that, Lindy Lou. The question that we are asking you today is the carburetors. So the carburetors are obviously, it's almost 10 years old and they've got some corrosion. Do you want Stevie to blast the carbs, make them look nice and pretty again? So that is the big question for today. We'll get all that other little stuff polished and show them the other side of the motor, Lindy Lou. And obviously we don't have the
Exhaust in the bag.
exhaust and the bag, all that stuff's back on yet. She's showing the motor, how pretty it looks.
I did a great job.
Yeah, Lindsay did okay.
Monkeys can do that.
Stevie says a monkey can do it, but I don't think so. So anyways, there you go, Jim. Show the car, Stevie polished up the distributor for you. There you go, get a shot of that. So she's looking nice and tight. Lindsay cleaned up the frame when we had the motor out, so all that looks good. So we got all the hard parts that we can't get to in the
I
motor.
put a new brake light switch in it too.
Go the other side, Lindy Lou. Show them the brake light switch. It's underneath the...
It was cracked, so...
So underneath here, the old one was cracked. So we put one of our revamped heavy duty ones in here. Those are actually tank brake light.
Yeah, Army tank.
Army tank brake light switches. I got those in Germany in 1993. So anyways. All right, so there you go. There's your brake switch. So give us a call and let us know if you want us to do the carbs. Stand back, get them a full view of the bike, and we'll go from there.
And is there anything else that you...
Well, we've got other stuff we got on the list, but anyway.
Okay.
All right, thank you, Jim, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.